Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the number of wind turbines in use in 5 counties is shown in the graph. If there are a total of 3,750 wind turbines operating between the 5 counties, whereas which of the following is an appropriate label for the horizontal axis of the graph? So is it measuring wind turbines in tens, hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands? So first let's get the number if it was just in ones, right? If the actual numbers here listed were the number of wind turbines, what would that be? So we just go through and say, okay, El Dorado, the value here is halfway between 8 and 10, so that's 9, plus Del Norte, right here, is gonna be at 11, so plus 11, plus Calaveras, slightly less than 4, so let's call that 3.5, plus Butte is right at 8, plus Alameda is at 6. So 9 plus 11 plus 3.5 plus 8 plus 6 is 37.5. So what number do we have to multiply 37.5 by to get to 3,750? Well, we multiply it by 10, that moves the decimal point. So times 10, the decimal point moves 1 to the left, or 1 to the right, and that gives us 375. And then times 10 gives us a 0 at the end, so 3,750. So you have to multiply it by 10 twice, which is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. So this is the number of wind turbines in hundreds. B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.